Do you know plants might actually scream when they are caught or stressed? Yep, you heard that right. Recent research suggests that plants emit ultrasonic sounds, almost like cries for help, when they are harvested, when they are dehydrated, or otherwise when they are stressed. These sounds are beyond what humans like us can hear, but scientists have recorded them. Yes, and it has raised some interesting ethical questions. So, what does this mean for vegetarians and vegans? Does this impact your perspective on plant-based diets? Take a look at this video.
Most plants don't elicit much sympathy when we cut or prune them, but that might be about to change. As a new study has found, they scream. Okay, so it's not the same way you or I do, but it turns out plants let out pops and clicks when they're stressed. The only thing is they're on an ultrasonic frequency, meaning we can't hear them with the naked ear. But that doesn't mean other species can't. With the researchers saying about their findings, quote, plants interact with insects and other animals all the time, and many of these organisms use sound for communication, so it would be very suboptimal for plants not to use sound at all. Here's what they sound like. But what are they saying? Well, we're not entirely sure. We do know, however, that when plants are under distress, they do put signals into the world around them, releasing odors to defend themselves or attract other animals to deal with insect pests, meaning these sounds could also be a signal to some other creatures or to their plant neighbors. Though the study of these sounds is still very much in its infancy, researchers also discovered that dehydrated plants will click with a different sound, oftentimes long before they show signs of a lack of water. The researchers say the next step is to find out who is listening to these distress calls, adding that one day we might have technology that could tell you when your plants need water before its leaves ever droop.
As you can see from that video, it is interesting. This brings up a new layer of complexity in the ethics of our eating. If plants can make sounds when they're in distress, does that change how we think about harvesting and consuming them? Some researchers believe these sounds are a form of communication, possibly to warn other plants of danger, human dangers. Others think it's just a byproduct of internal changes when plants are stressed. But either way, it makes us wonder, do plants have a kind of awareness or response that we've been ignoring all these years? What are your thoughts on plant awareness? As a vegetarian or vegan, how do you feel about the possibility that plants might experience distress? Also, do you think we should change our farming practices if plants are proven to respond to stress in this way? Or is it just nature's way of survival? Comment below with your thoughts. This is such a fascinating topic that challenges our understanding of plant life and our relationship with our food. And it's in a plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. My name is Ngo and I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. All the best.